Hello, good morning. I am ready to go to work, making pretty good time today. Just curled my hair. Hello, it's looking so good. I got my extensions moved up a little bit because they had grown out a little bit, and I just am so happy with them. They look so good. They make my hair so full. Like, this is my real hair. Wait, this is my real hair. And these down here are the extensions. So almost pretty much the length of my hair, mostly just for fullness, but I'm obsessed. I just had a friend do them, so I'm sorry I don't have a lot of info about it. One of my friends keeps up with her cosmetology license, and she got the extensions for me, and we do like the bead method or whatever that is. So anyways, enough about my hair. I'm wearing a tunic today. It's a million years old, I'm so sorry, but I'm also wearing these super cute leather leggings from Amazon with some Amazon mules. So that's the fit. Now let's make the coffee. We are starting this healthy what eating a day. Okay, so I got my ice in here. I've brewed a double espresso from my Nespresso. Unsweetened, original almond milk. And 2 tablespoons of International Delight, the sweet cream. 35 calories per tablespoon. You having breakfast? I don't know if y'all can hear him. Can you see him back there? No. Oh yeah, you could see his butt right there. Chancey's having breakfast. Oops. 1, 2. This has just been my go-to coffee right now. It's just so satisfying. I love it. Okay, I have snacks at work already, and I know I've shown these in so many videos in a row, and I'm so sorry, but I'm obsessed with these. They're just so easy. Found them at Costco, 190 calories, 17 grams of protein. It's like an egg breakfast sandwich. Super good, super satisfying. I eat that around 10 at my desk. This is about 100 and, let's see, the creamer is gonna be 70. The espresso is like essentially 0, 5, 2, something like that. And then the almond milk is I think 30 per cup, and I had about a cup and a half. So 45 plus 70 is the coffee. Carbonated water, 0 obviously. And we're headed to work. Actually, I'm gonna show y'all my outfit in the full mirror so you can see it, because I just am I'm really feeling myself today, okay? Okay, so this is the tunic. I'll try to find one online if I can get like a similar one. These are the leather leggings. They're like a Spanx Stoop, so much cheaper though. They're like under $40. Hi, Hutchie. And then these little Amazon mules, I love, also under $40. Super comfy. I love this little fit for work. That's a sock. We have a sock monster in this house, which would be our dog. But yeah, that is the outfit of the day. It is still like 80 degrees here and hot, but we're getting a cold front on Friday, and it's supposed to last like all next week. So I'm super excited to start wearing all of my sweaters, but I have got to grab my workout bag. I got this from the Gap. How freaking cute is this? It was on sale. I don't know if they still have this color, but they have like a brown camel color that's gorgeous, and they have a hot pink. So I'll try to link it for you, but it's just such a good gym bag. So I gotta grab that. I gotta go grab my breakfast sandwich over there, my purse, and we're off. We're gonna hit Hot Works tonight. Sorry, it's so dark in here. I'm just gonna take you guys along with me, and we're going to make a delish dinner. I'm trying HelloFresh for the first time. Never tried it. I'm interested though, and I'm excited. Morgan gets home tomorrow, so I can make him another one tomorrow, and it's just gonna be like the perfect, quick, easy meal for my man's homecoming. But today we're gonna try it ourselves, and I'll show you guys that tonight. We're gonna see if it's truly worth it. I have not ever done the meal things because I just am like worried, like, what if I feel like it's not worth it? What if, I don't know what my what ifs are, but I've just never tried it, and I'm gonna give you guys the full real review. So at work, I had my egg witch sandwich. Y'all have already seen that. I love it. And then for lunch, I went to lunch with my dad, which I do a couple times a week. On this day, we went to Applebee's, and anytime I go there, I almost always get the blackened salmon with mashed potatoes and broccoli. It's so good. It's 600 calories. The salmon has like 40 grams of protein. Such a good option. And then right after work, I went to Hot Work so I could get my workout in. I ended up doing hot ISO on this day, and I had the room to myself, which is always a plus, but I love stopping on the way home from work. That way, by the time I'm home, I can cook dinner and I can relax. I don't have to worry about anything else. All right, y'all, tonight we are trying HelloFresh. You can see it comes packaged right to your door, which is really awesome. All of the meals you get to choose yourself. They have over 35 weekly recipes, so you're always gonna find something that works for you and your family. You can also easily customize whatever recipe you want. You can swap out proteins, sides, upgrade different proteins, and even add proteins and veggies to each meal, so you can really customize your own box. You can see I got a steak, a firecracker meatball, and then also a shrimp scampi, which I think is gonna be so delicious. I've never made that at home before. Everything comes really perfectly packaged. Mine was delivered at about 1 p.m. and I didn't get home until 5, but they have the protein down at the bottom with ice packs. All of your other ingredients are in individual bags, so it just makes it really easy to pull out when you're ready to make dinner each day. All right, y'all, Morgan is home and I just got out what we need for dinner. So we decided the steak with mushroom cream sauce sounded amazing tonight. We are having it with roasted potatoes and carrots. Like, how good does that look? It says it only takes 10 minutes to prep, 40 minutes to cook, 640 calories. So all of the ingredients are in the bag for us. We've got the steak right here. And then on the other side, you just follow the directions. Like, so easy. I honestly love this. It's a lot easier than having to like open your Pinterest 100 times trying to find the recipe you're looking to make. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so as you can see, I'm just pulling out everything for this recipe from one bag. It's awesome, except for, of course, the protein. They do keep that separate, which I appreciate, but everything is perfectly portioned right in here, and it has really simple instructions. So I'm gonna start by washing all of my vegetables and then giving everything a good chopping up the potatoes. I also have already preheated my oven to 425. So we're gonna roast the potatoes and the carrots together while we cook the steak and the mushroom cream sauce on the stove. With Morgan's new busy work schedule and then me trying to work out often every day after work, I am like really tired. So we definitely have been needing some more flexibility, and I've been excited to try HelloFresh. I really like that they have different plans. It really can work with anyone's schedule. You can change your preferences, change your delivery day, even your address in just a few easy clicks on their website. All right, now we're getting the steak going. As you can see, I'm using the same pan for pretty much everything, which I love. I'm all about easy cleanup, especially for weeknight meals. Like, we're working, we're tired, we're working out. I'm not trying to spend half an hour cleaning my kitchen after. So you make everything in the same pan, and then you whip up the most delicious mushroom cream sauce. You guys, I'm gonna be making this all the time. It is so good. I also feel like this is really perfect for the winter months. It is so rich and delicious. And another thing that HelloFresh offers is they have a lot of seasonal favorites. So they have a cowboy turkey and black bean chili. They also have a sweet corn and green pepper chowder, which is really perfect now that Texas is finally starting to cool off. You can save 70% at HelloFresh.com by using my code LouiseLane70, and that also gets you free shipping. All right, y'all, here is dinner. I have a good amount of that mushroom cream sauce on mine, sliced it super pretty. I am so excited to try this. So is Morgan. We've got his over here. He's not big on mushrooms, so we just left the cream sauce off, but still looks amazing. Make sure to go to HelloFresh.com and use my code LouiseLane70. You can get 70% off plus free shipping. Such a good deal. Make sure to check it out. I will leave the link for you in the description box. that is the end of today's video. I'm trying to get better at resetting my kitchen every single night, making sure all of the dishes are out of the sink, loading the dishwasher, etc. Lighting our little wax melt thing. I don't know where that one is from. It was actually a gift from a subscriber a couple of years ago. And I have no idea where it came from. Actually, let me see if it says. No. I don't know. I don't know who makes it, but it's cool. I would say like check Scentsy, check Walmart. A lot of them have it. And I just use the like cheap wax melts from like Walmart. They smell so good. This one is called Pumpkin Hayride, I think. And it's like so fall. I love it. I should probably look for like a non-toxic version of wax melts. Maybe like Etsy probably has some. I'm trying to like make tiny changes here and there. I did it with my skincare already, and I'm using an app. It's called like EWG, I think, Healthy Living. And you can scan your like household products and your skincare and your hair care, and it will give you a rating and just like basically how toxic it is. So you want like a low rating. And it has like cancer causing ingredients, allergens, like all sorts of stuff. It's actually really interesting. I'll try to link the app for you if you're interested. But I did that with my skincare, and I should probably do it with my household products next, including like scents and stuff. So yeah, if you have like a non-toxic candle or like wax used for wax melts, any type of like home fragrance that actually is like smells good and lasts a long time, let me know, because I think that's gonna be next on my list. But yeah, just kind of making those baby changes. I feel like as I get older, I think about those things more, or maybe I just care a little more. I don't know, but kind of random. Morgan is home. So freaking happy to have him home. We have a fun weekend planned. I'm pretty exhausted. We didn't really catch up after my workout, but that hot works, like being in those saunas, it wears you out. I mean, I get home, I cook dinner, and I'm like, okay, I'm done for the day. Like I cannot do anything else. So definitely check out HotWorks if you're interested. I'm a big fan, or if you have one near you. I'm really glad I tried the free class, because going to the gym alone and having to figure out what to do is not my jam. And then also doing like group workouts is not really my jam, especially with like an in-person instructor. So I do like that it's just a video and you can see like who else is in the class. So.
And, sorry, I'm gonna jump in.
Okay.
And the part that I think is good is that you don't have to block off an hour or an hour and a half out of your day. You really can go in the morning. Mm-hmm. You could get, I know I'm going to try to start doing this and go early in the morning, but you can do just one 15-minute workout and really push yourself and really get a lot out of it. And
yeah, you're drenched in sweat in just 15 minutes.
And so if like, even, because I know you're probably just like I am at the end of the day, you're tired when you get off work, whether you get off at 4 or 5 or 6, whatever. If you can just get yourself there, it's only 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Like you can do anything for 15 minutes.
Yeah, so exactly. And it's like once I'm there and I do 15 minutes, sometimes I'm like, okay, I could definitely go more. I could do more. And then I'll book another one. It's just getting there. But honestly, HotWorks is fun. Like, I like that you sign up in the app. It's a fun workout. So it really isn't usually too grueling to talk myself into going. And there's so many different types of classes. So just like depending on how you feel that day, they have something for everyone. So I'm a big fan. And I like, you see people of all ages, like young people, people my age, people my mom's age. Like there's all sorts of people there, all different body types. Like it's just a comfortable workout. There's men. Morgan is not the only man that goes. Like we have multiple couple friends who all go together. And I always see like a guy there in the cycling class or in one of the strength classes. So,
and sorry, I'm gonna cut you off again.
It's okay. Do you want to come over here so they can see you?
Okay, yeah.
So you're not just a voice.
But yeah, and if you're one of those people that like doesn't want to go to a gym and like you feel like people are watching you work out, I used to have a big fear of that.
I still do.
I'm like have weird anxiety.
Yeah, and it's not even like, are they watching me? It's like, do my clothes look okay? Is the tag showing?
Yeah, do I
like,
look ridiculous?
Are my leggings see-through?
But normally, I mean, there's only like 3 people that can be in a class at most, and a lot of times you'll either be by yourself or just with one other person.
Yeah,
like nobody. You rarely get in a class where there's 3 people in there, just
3.
because of probably the same thing. They don't want to be scrunched and all that stuff. So
yeah, and I think I told them in my last video or one of my last videos, like, if you don't want to be with anyone, just go at a time that works for you and then look at what's available and pick the class that nobody's in, because there's always going to be a class that nobody's in.
Yeah, there's always like what?
There's empty rooms.
8 or 10 at a time?
I think it's eight rooms. Yeah, so 8 classes at a time. And there's multiple empty rooms every time we go. And I've been on the weekends, actually dead on Sunday, ain't nobody there. Right after work, 4:30 is a good time to go. You can still find empty
ones like right after work. It's not.
Yeah, I would say 6 p.m. is the busiest. I've noticed in the app, but we don't go at 6 p.m. luckily because I get off at 4:30, so I can make it by 5 at the latest. But I would say even between 5 and 6 is a pretty good time to go. Just 6 gets a little busy.
They don't have. I don't think they have showers, so you couldn't like go shower
there. They do.
Oh, they do.
Yeah, she told me. I'm pretty sure she told me that they had a shower in one of their bathrooms, but I've only used one of the bathrooms and it doesn't have a shower in it. So
it might not. Maybe I was thinking it might not be a lunch thing.
Yeah, I think you're too sweaty for lunch. Like, you'd have to literally take a whole shower and redo your makeup. For women, you couldn't do it on lunch. Maybe men, but you'd have to redo your makeup, and ain't nobody got time for that.
It is quick and convenient.
Yeah, we love it.
I would say do it.
Yeah.
If you're trying to get back into working out and stuff.
And it's fun to go together. So if you have a friend or a partner, it's really fun.
For sure.
All right, that's it from us. We're headed to bed. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.